Magandang hapon po ng November 10, 2025 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng November 10, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, November 10, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for November 10, 2025, Monday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for November 10, 2025, Monday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for November 10, 2025, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.